Russian letter Ch. The uppercase letter Ch, the lowercase letter Ch. Transcription. Let's watch the writing. The uppercase letter and the lowercase letter. And both of them together. Thanks for learning with Russian Language Lab with Dita. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.